Saddlemen's TR3300 Tactical Rack Bag is designed with a blend of dynamic materials, resulting in a bag that's tough, weather-resistant, and long-lasting, so you can keep your most valued items protected right after ride. As part of our tactical lineup, this model offers the same sturdy construction as the original TR3300DE with a few stylish adjustments. M.O.L.E webbing detail on the bag's exterior provide a rugged look that highlights its rugged functionality. A big, easy open top allows for quick packing and contains an internal office organizer and key clip, plus a mesh internal top zippered pocket that lets you keep the items separately organized from the rest of your cargo. 7 exterior pockets allow for plenty of extra storage space. This entire main compartment is covered by a rain flap, and when the weather is especially wet, the TR3300DE's rain cover is ready for fast deployment. Just slip it over your bag and cinch it closed with the adjustable drawstring. When the rain stops, you can detach and stash it away just as quickly. Constructed of UV, water, and weather-resistant 1200 denier material, this is a bag that won't let you down even in the harshest conditions. Even when empty, the TR3300DE's rigid construction allows it to hold its shape, and mounting couldn't be simpler. With Saddlemen's universal strap mounting system, you can attach the bag directly to your trunk or separately mounted luggage racks. If you need a little more space, a quick unzip lets you expand the bag by 2 inches. Also included is a removable shoulder strap, and at the top you have a handle for easy toting off bike. The TR3300DE Tactical will keep your cargo safe and dry while improving the look of your motorcycle, and you can pick one up for around that $175 mark. Saddlemen's tactical bags offer a rugged design with exclusive features and unrivaled durability. To find out more about how you can take your luggage situation to the next level, simply call, email, or send a direct message. One of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen bag for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.